Hello everybody and welcome to this amazing illustration course where you will learn all you need to know to create beautiful digital illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. The techniques that you will learn in this course will help you to make your own illustrations for this and any other project that you work in the future. I will start by teaching you the basic concepts of digital illustration, where you will learn which are the characteristics that make a great digital illustration. Then you will learn how to use the most important Adobe Illustrator tools, like the Pen tool, the Pathfinder, the Shape Builder, and the Width tool. Then you will learn how to create the color base for the different elements that create our illustration. After that, I will teach you how to add volume by adding shadows and highlights to our illustration. And finally, I will teach you how to easily create different variants of our work. In summary, in this course, you will learn how to plan, sketch, digitalize, and create a full professional digital illustration in Adobe Illustrator. In this course, we will create the illustration that you can see in your screen right now. But you will be able to use all the techniques that you will learn in this course in any other illustration that you decide to make in the future. I am 100% confident that by the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of the process of creating a professional digital illustration in Adobe Illustrator. And not only that, you will also have the confidence and motivation to create your own professional digital illustrations. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the Buy Now button right now and become the digital illustrator that you have always wanted to be. Thanks a lot for your time, and I will see you inside.